Find the term independent of x in the expansion of given is 2x plus 1 by 4x square power 6. For any binomial theorem sum, we should write the general term, and the formula for general term is NCR x power r y power n minus r. Now, what is n? The power is n, and in place of x, what will you take? Inside the bracket, the x term should be taken in place of x. Here both of them has got x in it. So any one of them you can select it to be x. Let us say I am selecting this to be x. Then the other term or the left out should be taken for y. Replace them in the general term. So it is 6CR. In place of x it is 2x. In place of y it is 1 by 4x square power 6 minus r. Now, simplify this to the maximum possible extent. And how do we simplify? See. 6CR, apply the power to each. So 2 power r, x power r, same now. Apply the power to each. So 1 power 6 minus r by 4 power 6 minus r, x power 2 power 6 minus r. Now, write x terms at last. What do I mean? See here. I write 6CR 2 power r by 4 power 6 minus r. Now, 1 power anything results in 1. So, whether I write 1 or don't, it is not going to make any difference. So, I am not writing it. And x power r at last by, now, what formula can you apply here? A has got multiple powers. Then what does it result in? M into n. A has got multiple powers, so multiply both the powers. So here also x has got multiple powers, so multiply both the powers. So what does it change to? So x power 2 into 6 minus r. So that is x power 12 minus 2r. Clear? Now, so write that here. So x power 12 minus 2r. Next, any chance of simplifying further? Yes. And how do you simplify that? Means, see here. What formula can you apply here? It's a power m by a power n. A power m by a power n is a power m minus n. Bases are same, subtract the powers. Clear? Bases are same, division, subtract the powers. So if I subtract the powers here the bases are same. So if I subtract r minus 12 minus 2r, multiply with negative sign. So minus 12 plus 2r. Now these are like terms. So add them. So r plus 2r will be 3r minus 12. This will become now 6CR 2 power r by 4 power 6 minus r and x power 3r minus 12. Clear? This cannot be simplified further, so I stop now. Now see. We need to find term independent of x. Term independent of x means that term should not have x in it. The term should not have x in it means power on x should be 0. If there is a power on x to be 0, only then the resultant will not have any x in it. Clear? If it is 0, only then the result will not have any x in it. So independent of x could only happen if you have a power 0 on x. Clear? Now let's continue. Here the power is 0 and here the power is 3r minus 12. Equate both the powers to get the value of r. Equate powers of x to get the value of r. So 0 equal to 3r minus 12. Add 12 now. So this cancel out. 12 equal to 3r. Now divide by 3. So 4 equal to r. Replace r equal to 4 in this. So what do you get? 6c 4 into 2 power 4 by 4 power 6 minus 4 is 2 into x power 0. Anyhow x power 0 is 1. So I don't write x power 0. Now put this entire thing at once in calculator. You get the answer to be 15. Okay, so 15 is the number independent of x.